If your furnace isn't starting on a chilly Wichita morning, Hanna Heating and Air Conditioning is here to help. Before calling the experts, try these simple troubleshooting tips to potentially reignite the warmth in your home without the extra cost. First, check the furnace switch. It should be in the on position. Next, inspect your circuit breaker for any tripped switches. Ensure your thermostat is set correctly and has fresh batteries. Also, check thermostat wires for secure connections. If airflow is blocked, replace your air filter. Confirm the gas valve is open and check that all access panels are secure. Lastly, clean the ignition sensor if needed. These steps might just solve your issue. If these tips don't work, it's time to call the experts. Hanna Heating and Air Conditioning has been serving Wichita for over 40 years. With continuous training, our team is ready to tackle any furnace problem. Call us at 316-945-3481 for professional assistance. Trust the team that keeps Wichita warm and comfortable through every winter season.